Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. In this week's video, the figure eight. The video you're watching is a small excerpt from the curriculum at the knot school. I hope you enjoy it. The figure eight knot, often described as an ancient knot, is a testament to the enduring legacy of knot tying. It is one of the first knots taught in many outdoor programs. The figure eight knot is a type of knot in the category of knots known as stopper knots. Stopper knots are typically tied near the end of a rope, either to prevent the rope from fraying or to prevent the rope from slipping through a hole or a device, such as a cleat, a pulley, or a belay device. The figure eight knot has some similarities to the overhand knot, except the figure eight is more robust, especially in the length of the knot. The figure eight can also be considered a foundation knot because there are many different knots that have the figure eight within their structure, such as the figure eight loop, the figure eight bend, and the one-way knot, just to name a few. The figure eight stopper knot is sometimes referred to as a figure of eight and also a Flemish knot. To tie the figure eight knot, begin by forming a loop. Take the working end and pass it around the standing part. Thread the working end through the initial loop you formed and then cinch up the knot. The figure eight stopper knot is a versatile stopper knot, and you can find it being used by arborists in climbing, in camping, sailing, and home and garden uses, practically anywhere you need a reliable stopper knot. While the figure eight performs well in natural fiber ropes, it's important to note that it could slip when tied in modern synthetic materials, such as nylon, polypropylene, Dyneema, or Spectra. Additionally, it can become difficult to untie after being heavily strained. The figure eight knot can be found in the Ashley Book of Knots, listed as knot number 520 on page 85. Are you ready to master the figure eight and a world of other knots? Unlock your knot tying potential with Knot School. Start your free 14-day trial today and gain access to our exclusive library of easy-to-follow tutorials and a supportive community. Click the link below this article to begin your knot tying journey, risk-free.